Hello, welcome to the lab of Physics 143 Physical Systems. Today, we are going to explore falling objects and air resistance. In your daily task as super physics hero, you might have to fall freely from high buildings. In those cases, you will fall due to the gravitational force of the Earth. But as the Earth's friction might affect your motion, you might want to understand how objects really fall near the surface of the Earth. This can help you design your superphysics costume. Papers in scientific journals is the way scientists share our results to the community. You have read a recent paper which proposes a new model to describe falling cotton balls. The authors start with a well-known expression to describe the free fall of objects that says that the displacement is equal to 1/2 of g, which is the gravitational acceleration of the Earth, times t squared. But they claim that for cotton balls, the equation has to be replaced by this other expression, 1/2 of kt squared, where t is an effective acceleration. Your task is to design and perform an experiment to test the proposed hypothesis. You have cotton balls, assorted balls of other materials, a balance, a measuring tape, and a stopwatch available. If you think you need other equipment, let us know. Keep in mind all that you learned from last week's measurements on reaction time. To test this model, you first have to verify the known science. This will give you hints on how to proceed in the new case. Think how you're going to measure G for the case of the ball. Does it matter which ball you use? How many trials do you need to perform? Think carefully on your experimental procedure to measure G, and give its value with its corresponding experimental error. Now you have to test the claim of the paper that you need to replace G for K in the case of cotton balls. In order to be sure you can compare your results, you need to do the same type of experiments as you did for the balls. If you think this lab is not the best place on campus to perform the experiment, you can find a better place in the campus. Once you have completed your experiments and analysis, write a brief paper for the International Journal of Superhero Sciences, a journal for amateurs who are interested in science but who have no formal training in a scientific field, reporting on your investigations and results. Papers have differentiated sections: abstract, where you point out the importance of your experiment, your goals and conclusions. Then an introduction, where you give the reader a background and motivate your research. A results sections, where you describe your experiment, including your numerical result in a concise manner and plots to sustain them. Finally, conclusions, where you include your take-home message and suggestions to improve your future experiments. If your results agree with the proposed theory, your paper must include the value for K which you determined, including an estimation of uncertainty in your value of K. If your results do not agree with the theory, explain how they deviate and include an alternative model for the behavior of falling cotton balls. And don't forget to write down everything you do, and may the science be with you.